Today in this video how to create long shadow effect in Photoshop. First of all we will written text. With the help of text tool you can write whatever text you want. Now press Ctrl T to transform the text. Duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl J and convert it to rasterized type. Now go to edit and click on define brush preset. Now we will name the brush. Now we will unhide the first layer. Now we will add a blank layer. Go to brush setting and set brush spacing to 1%. Now we will tap once while aligning the brush on the text, and while holding the shift key tap down once. Now according to you can keep opacity more or less. To change the color, take the solid color adjustment layer and change the text color from black to white. Align text with shadow. Now your long shadow text effect is ready.